namaskar, and very good morning to all of you. I hope that everyone is doing absolutely fine. My name is Harish Bhandari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the day 3, the final day of the Chikmagalur series. Time right now is 8:05. Ajay has already left because he had to get home early. He's going to Bangalore आणि आम्ही सध्या वचपाचे म्हणटा ते गोंयान. But we are going to take a different route, not the same route जो आम्ही येयल्लो पळय तो रोडान वचपाना आम्ही. We are going through a different route आणि one stop that we're going to do is Jog Falls. This is the property that we've stayed in. Amazing property, amazing ambience. That's about it, and we'll be just loading the bike and leaving from here. So let's go.
There it is. We are leaving. Bro.
Nice trip, bro.
Sir, येता हांव.
चल बरें.
तू कसो वचपा बसीन? Okay. So the bike is. हाँ?
मडगांवचो बस मेट्रो.
हाँ मेळटा.
Okay.
चिकमंगळूरच्यान.
टिकेट जाना कितले तो?
ना 50 रुपया.
होय.
Let's move. We'll have to fuel up. For us Jog Falls.
Yeah.
That's what 12 o'clock म्हणल्यार पावया आमी. First we'll have to eat, no? Just put that location
Yeah.
and we'll see what is on the way. Thank you, hostler. This was the entry. Carl, I was sleeping and early morning Vaughn was just taking a drone shot. So I heard him taking the flight, like zoom करून वयर गेलो, and just after he took the flight, I heard a noise. Thumb करून आवाज येलो म्हाका, like something hit the metal. So I was like shit. He hit the drone. And then I was like, just because I wanted to avoid all that I heard and so I was like, I'll pretend as if I didn't hear anything. I just went back to sleep. I woke up and I get to know that it was not the drone. It was just that Rajay woke up and banged his head on the bed. Just because it did not rain a lot, this patch is like doable. Otherwise, it is a pain in itself. सामकोच ऑफरोड आसा. मातसो इट रेंड मातसो राती मातसो पावस पडला हांगा दनपारचो बी सांजचो असो. सो तेका लागून मातशें चिकचिकीत आसा. आमी पावल्ले आसा मेन रोडाचेर. सो रायट काय लेफ्ट? लेफ्ट न्हू.
एक बारीकसो टी ब्रेक घेतलेलो आसा and we've done like around about what 30 odd kilometers. It was all like it was like a घाट रोड. सो ते जाम जाता बेगीन घाट रोडान. डबल सीट स्पेशली चड जाम जाता. एक बारीकसो घेतला ब्रेक. We just ordered tea. We just ordered something to eat little bit.
So we are done with the break. अशें चिंतलेलें की बारीकसो एक चायेचो ब्रेक घेतलो आनी फुडें वचून आमी डोसा बिसा खातले म्हणून. पूण ना, वी हॅड लायक गूड पोट भरून खाल्ला आमी एंड द बिल वॉज जस्ट 150 रुपीज वीच वॉज सरप्रायझींग.
Here no, everything is cheap.
खूब सवाय आसलेले. लायक वॉट वी हॅड लायक 4, 5, 6 type of different breads, fillings, not just plain breads. And we had 4 coffees. We have like what not. आनी घरा व्हरपाक मातशें कितें घेतला बारीकशें. So yeah, that was about it. And आता सध्या चल्ले नेक्स्ट.
हेडफोन घाता.
नाका
प्ले सम सॉन्ग.
नाका बेजार येता म्हाका हेडफोनचा. लेट्स गो. लोकेशन आहा मरे. Right now in Shimoga, and Jog Falls might be around about 75 kilometers from here. This side we are going. Okay. And this is right the heart of Shimoga. There is the KSRTC bus stand.
एक बारीकसो ब्रेक घेतलेलो आसा.
we are like around 62 kilometers away from Jog Falls. Till Shimoga, the traffic was pathetic. The roads were even worse. After Shimoga, it was like 40-50 kilometers. We covered it like anything. Constantly, we were doing speeds of like 75, 80, 75, 80. The roads were very good. The roads were wide. The roads were good. There was very little traffic, not much traffic. And hence, we were able to cover up that distance which we lost earlier. So Sadyamachek, this is a village called as Anandpur. I guess it is showing Anandpur in Google. I'm Mache Ravale Anga for a break, as well as there's a lake behind me. You won't be able to see because it's boom. And there's fields right there. How has the journey been, bro?
Very good.
How has the journey been?
Very good.
Enjoying?
Yes.
So आम्ही Jog Falls पावले असा, but then I don't know, it's very confusing because I didn't expect Jog Falls to be like this. I thought it was like a barren land from where you can see the whole thing, but this looks like it's a whole build up area. And सगळं अशें बांधलेलें बांधकाम चालू सुद्दां आसा, and there are multiple places from where the water falls, and I guess the whole thing is called Jog Falls. And the river that we just crossed while entering Jog Falls, from there only the water falls down, and that is the whole Jog Falls.
It was not what I expected, but yeah, pretty good enough.
It will be very nice, I think, in the monsoon.
Monsoon.
Samke heavy udak patta
Because
astale.
there are multiple falls, right? So I feel the flow will be full and the dam also will be overflowing.
आता सुद्धा flow खूप
Yeah.
असा, just that we are too
Actually,
far away.
yeah.
We are not
True,
able to
we
make it.
can't see.
Yeah. If you look closely, it is a lot.
Lot.
But then
Arey dude,
I expected a little more as well.
And literally you could see the water falling, and with what pressure it's falling. Bro.
Especially if you're coming to watch Jog Falls, with what we were about to do, coming a Sunday to Jog Falls, that is not worth it, I will say. But we were just going by, and we had a stop in Jog Falls. So ताका लागून आमकां व्हडलेशे अशें वायट दिसना, चड डिसअपॉयंटेडूय दिसना. But then yes, it is good. अशें पळोवपा सारकें आसा, but properly सामकें फॉल असो पळोवपाक जाय. Oh bro, that is great. You will see the shots in the vlog. And yeah, सामकें अशें पळोवपाचें सारकें अशें आसतलें तें म्हणटा म्हाका दिसता इन मॉन्सून्स तेन्ना बरें आसता, तेन्ना उदकाचो फ्लोय बरो आसतलो. सो दिस इज अबाउट इट, एंड नाव वी आर हेडिंग बॅक होम. एज आय टोल्ड यू 200 kilometers टू गो, एंड राउंड अबाउट 5-6 hours. सो पळोवया, म्हाका दिसता 8 जातली आमकां घरा पावता म्हटल्यार. बट लेट्स सी कशें कितें जातलें. दॅट वॉज ऑल अबाउट इट. द GoPro storage also about to run out, and this is probably our last point, and after this आमी डायरेक्ट आतां घरात वयतले. इट इज शोईंग 4.5 hours, so probably 8 जातली आमकां पावता म्हटल्यार. And the whole Jog Falls area, they are building it up. सगळीकडे construction चालू आसा. For the bike to come in, it is 70 rupees. I don't know for a 4-wheeler मातशी चड आसतलें. Maybe that is just 150 आसा. So that is it. आणि yeah, droneक लागून आमकां काही problem करूना. So probably you can try the drone as well, but obviously at your own risk. So that's about it. So finally, after what, 12 or 13 hours of the riding, we have finally reached, like, not we haven't reached, I haven't reached, he has reached his home. I have more 3-4 kilometers to go. Time is 9:05, and घराकडे वचून ब्लॉग कंप्लीट क्लोज करता ना, हांगात करता क्लोज. लायट मी सामको भयानक दिसता, तोंड सामकें कितें जाला म्हणून कांय कळना सद्या, कांयच फील जायना सद्या. तो आनी फूल नम पडलो, लोअर बॉडी पॅरलायज जाल्लो तो. You can't even see him, bro. He's into so much darkness. Where are you? So that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed this whole series. Thank you for making me a part of it. Thank you for making us a part of it. We'll see you soon in the next vlog with a new adventure, with a new journey, with a new trip. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And peace. Chalo. Bye. Good night.